I lost everything because of you. My father stopped me from joining the fight. He said my moment to honor our tribe would come, but it was not this moment. Those were the last words he spoke to me. I never saw him again.
We both lost everything that day.
Goodbye, Sonic.
No! We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back, but now.
Hey guys, today I made an edit on Knuckles and Sonic. In the background you can see the video creation process. I use After Effects for editing and Opus AI for enhancing. I hope you enjoy the video. If you did, leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video guys. Take care.